making me an ice cream cone in the...
Yeah, a giant one.
How about, that one's already made. Should we make another one over here?
Yeah. This one's going for you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's nice.
And this going for Daddy because it's blue for his favorite color.
That's right.
We've confirmed this several times.
That's right.
All right,
Okay,
so I've got a
show
blue...
what you do.
Oh my goodness, that looks delicious.
Remember, you have to lift it up first before it...
Daddy, it's kind of stuck.
Let me get it. Is it stuck in there? Oh, here.
It is kind of stuck.
We got it. Can I have it?
Yeah. And then I need this kind of.
Should we do the pink one for you?
Yeah. I like kind of green.
You like the green
Yeah, but
one?
we don't have the special kind of green Play-Doh yet.
Okay, so that's something we need to pick
We're going to
up.
have to buy some. We have to use this extra soft Play-Doh called Play-Doh Plus.
Play-Doh Plus?
Yeah, which they give us.
They give us a little taste of that, I'm sure.
Where did it go, Daniel?
Okay, where's
Oh,
the
here
cone
it
at?
is.
Play-Doh.
We have to fill it up with this stuff.
I like the pink kind. Now, because if there's no green, I need to get the regular green.
Okay,
One more?
let's make one more and then we got to take a bath.
Here it comes. That looks really good.
That's mine.
Congratulations.
Delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you. That's so good.
Was that fun?
Yeah.